get back on another YouTube video. And today, we are, me and Tia are going to be, changing shirt, everything, by the way. But we're going to be doing escape.
Hey y'all, it's
the thingy. I don't know. Escape the haunted hospital. So, I'm scared, but let's go. Come on, Tia. But wait, where are we supposed to go? Are we supposed to go in the kitchen? Or what? Where do we go?
Check places that have doors. Oh, that has a door.
Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah, true.
So we're gonna just check around.
What?
Check around. How do you say? We're just gonna look around and.
What about the bathroom? Let's see the bathroom.
Find the door.
No, that's blocked. Ew, we gotta go in the boys' bathroom. Yeah, let's go. Let's see the boys' bathroom is open.
Oh, the boys' bathroom. It's the boys' bathroom. Okay.
There's a stall. Okay.
Okay, that's so we should go.
2 hours. So I've been on the toilet for 2 hours. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's blood on the seat.
Must have diarrhea. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get my flashlight. Oh.
Let's go.
Let's see. Is that a checkpoint?
Oh,
Yeah, it's a checkpoint. Okay.
Is heads or tails considered bad luck? This is on tails,
Okay.
but it's not all the same. I
Over
have
here.
this huge math test today that I've been studying for
What happened?
forever. Hopefully this will bring me
Something
a
in
little
there.
luck. Come on, Gracie.
I need an overheater. Big man.
What should I do?
The bike is just coming down the street, and if she...
Where? Oh. Is there anywhere else?
Okay.
Oh.
Where is it?
I think it's up there. That's
Up there? Oh yeah, the venting. Go. Yeah. And you knocked me down. Great. Okay. Okay. Go. It's pretty dark up here. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I get scared really easily, so don't mind when I get scared. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, but like I get really scared. It scared me again. Great. Okay. Great. So, you go first, cause I went first. Go first, Tia. Go first. I went first. Go first. I went first.
I need to check my monitor.
Go first. Go first.
No idea.
Oh my god. Okay. What's this? Can we go through? Keyhole. We need the key.
Surprise! Tap play to start.
Oh my god, that
Mayor
keeps
Goodwin is
scaring
planning
me.
a big surprise dance party
this
for
stuff
all of
scares me.
Adventure Bay and needs the Paw Patrol's help to organize it.
Don't
Will you
don't
help
mind
the
that
pups
noise,
make
guys.
the
I'm
party
my
extra
sister.
awesome?
We go down here.
Great!
What's this? Dead end. Oh no, it's not. Ooh, a portal.
Tap the perfect place for the surprise dance
Boy.
party. Farmer
Portal.
Yumi's farm. The beach.
It's a portal.
Mr. Porter's restaurant. Tracker's jungle. Choose a place to party. Great choice. Uh-oh, the wind has these beach balls bouncing all over the place. We need to clear the beach for the big surprise party.
Okay, then I'm not gonna
Tap
go
on a
there. Then
ball
where
to
else do we
bounce
go?
it off the beach. You're great at this. Keep going. Almost done.
Hi. That
Now
checkpoint.
that the
No
space is
checkpoint.
clear, it's time
We're
to
at
decorate.
chapter
Where should we start?
3.
Tap a decoration and then drag it to the perfect spot. Drag it away if you don't want to use it. When you have all the decorations you want,
Ew,
tap
that
the
is
green done button.
that's a snowman. Okay, where do we go
That
after
looks
this?
pucktacular.
Oh my god. Oh, okay.
Awesome.
Where?
Oh my god, idiot.
The black wall?
Nice. Looking good. Now it's time to invite some guests to party down.
Go first.
Tap a friend.
I don't want first.
You go first.
and then drag them to any open spot on the dance floor. Swipe to see all the choices.
Guys, if you start hearing cursing,
you don't want to use. When you're ready to add some bling, tap the green done button.
I win. I'm done. Okay. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys when. Huh? Okay. Let's go. Do we go in here? No. Is he possessed? Oh nope, he's dead. Okay, great.
Wait, who's it?
I found a vent. I found a vent up here. Did we go in it?
Okay, but this time you go first.
Okay. No! You better come up here with me, girl. Okay.
No.
Go. You go first. Cause I went first. Cause I went up the vent first. You have to go first. You have to. You have to. You have to. So me and Tia made a decision that we're gonna both go at the same time. But we're both scared. But 3, 2, 1.
I can't watch how
Are we done? Okay, great, we're done.
No, what if it's...
I closed my eyes. Sorry guys, I started you didn't get my reaction, but I closed my eyes, so. It's done, Tia.
Oh, there's something.
Right.
Right.
I'm over here. Do we go here? We gotta follow the blood prompts. That's creepy. I'm running through. Oh my god, ew, oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, okay, we made it. Great. No, you have to go first this time. You scaredy cat, you have to go. Go! Why are we going fast? Oh. Where does this go to? Checkpoint. Chapter 4. What is this? Oh, wall is coming, run. What is it? He's coming. He's coming. I'm just gonna follow the wall back. Following the wall back just in case it comes back fast. Okay, no, we gotta jump in here. What is this? Okay, so you can't go through it without knowing the code. What code? No, that's a put. Is it up here? Because obviously it's up here. Okay, I'll tell you the code. It's 7066.
Okay, come on. We have to go at the same time. I'm scared.
7066. Enter. Let's go. I made. Oh my god! I'm sorry.
What?
Did you look at the picture? Yeah, you close your eyes. You're a cheater. Okay, let's go. If you guys want to see, because we're like pussycats right now. If you guys want to see us go farther, well, obviously just go farther. But if you guys want to see us go farther and give this video to at least 50 likes or something, subscribe to my channel, and go this way. Subscribe to my channel, and we will go farther into this game. And if you guys want to join us and come with us, we can have like a whole crew. Just friend us and just say, and then yeah. So, peace, guys.